Hello guys, and welcome to another video. I am on my laptop right now, in my bed right now, with my microphone right here. If you want a have you ever seen the YouTuber Wasby? And have you ever seen how loud he screams? But every time you scream into your mic, this is what it sounds like. Wait, let me just do one thing. 2.1.30. This is what it sounds like. Watch. Is that what it sounds like? Because I know how to fix it, and I'll teach you how to make it so it actually does the normal voice. So basically, first thing you want to do is let me show you right here. So if I go to scene, now you can see my screen, right? So you want to go to OBS, and you want to go to these three dots here. Don't forget to connect your microphone and make sure if it's not coming in or out, make sure on the settings on your computer or on your PC or your all-in-one monitor for me, I have headphones for the microphone. So basically I would do this. So look, let's say I'm muted, right? This is how I would unmute. Watch. Can you hear me? Right? So there. You just flick the switch like pop, 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 and it works. So basically then, now that you know your mic is on, you can check that by going here, and if you speak, if you don't speak, it should just stay here. Around the 45 mark. And then if you speak, it should be around the 20 mark. That's not how it works. Then go to filters, go to add filters, go to gain, and then keep going up slowly, like tuning a ukulele. Go slowly, then check the audio. Slowly up, check the audio. Slowly up, check the audio. And how do you check the audio? You just keep going up until speak in your normal voice, not like yelling, like that, not like that. Just make it so it's just below on the 20 line, or other ways on the, like right here. See how the black mark here is like touching the yellow line, kind of? That's how you kind of want it, and then that's perfect. The green means it's kind of quiet, and the red means it's too loud. But if you want the Wasby voice, this is how to do it. So go back to here and go to filters and go to gain, right? And you want to just set it to full. And now you have the most loudest voice ever.